Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yakubu, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step guide on how to apply for the pension clearance certificate in Nigeria in 2025. So in this video I'm going to be taking you how to apply online. So because before now, before you can apply for pension clearance certificate, you need to go to the office, but right now it is way more easier in 2025. So applying for a pension clearance certificate, or PCC in short, in Nigeria is crucial process for employers seeking to conduct business with government agencies. Let's say for example you are looking for a contract, or you want to bid for a contract from any government agencies at all. You need insurance, what is it called, sorry, pension clearance certificate. All right. So the National Pension Commission, which is PenCom, has recently introduced an e-pension clearance certificate application portal to streamline the process for you, which means you now have an online portal where you can sign up and apply for this pension clearance certificate from the comfort of your home, your office, or school, wherever you are. All right. So before we continue with the step-by-step guide on how to apply, well, let us look at understanding the pension clearance certificate. So a pension clearance certificate is an official document issued by PenCom to employers who have fully complied with the provision of the Pension Reform Act of 2014, PRA. All right. This certificate is mandatory for any organization aiming to bid for government contracts or seeking approvals from government agencies. Like, yeah, for example, if you are seeking approval for your product, maybe you are into manufacturing and you need an approval from NAFDAC, for example, you need to have your clearance certificate, pension clearance certificate. So, what are the eligibility criteria for applying for this clearance certificate? All right, to be eligible for a PCC or pension clearance certificate, employers or you must meet the following requirements. There are just three. All right, and in number one, we have remittance of pension contributions. So you must have consistently remitted the monthly pension contributions of your employees to the respective pension fund administrators. All right, and in number two, you need group life insurance policy, or GLI. So employers are required to maintain a GLI policy for their employees with a minimum coverage of three times the annual total emoluments of each employee. So, and in number three, we have transfer of legacy pension funds. So, organizations with existing pension schemes prior to the PRA 2014 must transfer such funds and assets to the licensed pension operators. All right, before you'll be eligible for another for PCC application. So let's talk about the new e-pension client certificates application portal. So in a bid to enhance efficiency and transparency, PenCom launched the e-pension client certificates application portal on October 31st, 2024. So these online platforms allow employers to apply for PCC electronically, reducing the need for physical paperwork and expediting the application process. Which means instead of you to now start going to their headquarters, to their offices, you just register online. It is as simple as that. So they now have something called transition period. So PenCom has provided a transition period during which both electronic and paper-based application will be accepted concurrently. This period extends from October 31st, 2024 to March 2025. So this is allowing employers ample time to adapt to the new system. All right. Now that we've covered this, everything that you need to know about PenCom client certificate, let's now go through the step-by-step um, uh, step-by-step guide on how to apply for the 2025 pension client certificate. All right, and these steps are going to consist of they are just 7 steps. And the number one step is for you to access the e-pension client certificate application portal, which means you need to visit the official PenCom website at www.pencom.gov.ng and navigate to the ePCC application portal, or directly access it via um, https://pcc.pencom.gov.ng. So if you are watching this video on YouTube, then check the description below, and you will see the link to my blog, where you will see all the links and the step-by-step guide on how to do all these things in textual form, so that you can click on the link to go to the website. All right, so once you are on the website, and the step 2, you need to log in or create an account. All right, if you are a first time user, register by providing the necessary organizational details to create a secure account, or you just log in if you have already created an account with PenCom already. All right, so and the third step is for you to complete the application form. You fill out the online application form accurately, ensuring all required fields are completed. So the fourth step for you to take is to upload supporting documents. So submit the following documents electronically. So there are 3 different documents that you need to upload for the application to go through. And number one is evidence of remittance of pension contributions for the last 12 months. So if you are signing up, or if you are applying for the PCC in January 2025, that means you need to submit a remittance of pension contributions for January 2024 till December 2024. So that is the number one thing you need to upload. And a second thing you need to upload is valid group life insurance policy certificate. You need to upload that one also. And thirdly, evidence of transfer of legacy pension funds, which I have spoken about before the Act of 2014. You need to make sure you transfer all the funds and that and every other stuff. That is if it is applicable. And the fifth step for you to take is to review and submit your application. So you need to carefully review the um, application and attach the documents for accuracy before submission. All right, you need to make sure everything is correct. And once you are through with that, and the benefits of the e-platform, you signing up on the e-platform, is this sixth step. All right, sixth and the seventh step, which means you track application status. So you can utilize the portal's tracking feature to monitor the progress of your application in real time. All right, that's one of the benefits of the e-platform. Then the step 7 is download the PCC. So once your application has been approved, you download the electronic PCC from the portal for your records, and you are good to go. All right, so if you are looking for support, for additional guidance, PenCom has provided a comprehensive user manual within the application portal. So employers can also contact the support team via their email, which is on your screen, which is rakamba@pencom.gov.ng, for further assistance. So in conclusion, let us wrap the video up here. The introduction of the e-PenCom Clearance Certificate Application Portal has marked a significant advancement in Nigeria's pension administration and aligning with the broader national agenda of digital transformation. So employers are encouraged to transition to the online platform to promptly to benefit from its enhanced efficiency and ensure compliance with the regulatory requirements. So this is the end of the video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel again, please turn on the notification bell. Make sure you subscribe. so that whenever I'm dropping another video just like this one, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.